how to use Talabat points, how to redeem Talabat points, loyalty program. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Talabat points. So on the official website, they say they are thrilled to announce that the Talabat, the region's leading food and grocery developer, and let's skip that. You can see when you open the Talabat app from your device, like a smartphone, you just have to click on the three dot on the left corner and see the rewards from there, and you can just click on there and use it. So you have to click on rewards under the hamburger menu, top left corner. You can see your point balance and the exciting range of rewards options. Once you've collected enough points, you can then use these points to redeem offers in the reward section of the app. So you can use that on this restaurants. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.